I would like to thank EVbase for sending me this product today for review, and it's a small box. On the front is a graphic of the item. It's a real carbon fiber cover for the steering wheel controls on the Model 3 and Y. On the side it has which color is inside the box, and it's glossy black. On the back it says installation without adhesive, which is nice. And material is carbon fiber, glass fiber, and eco-friendly fluff. Pulling the cover off the box, there is a foam pad on top. Underneath we have the two real carbon fiber stock covers inside, nestled in soft foam cut out for their shape. They are definitely well protected from any shipping damage. I'll take one out to show you. This is the left stock, which is the turn signal, high beam, and wiper control. Note that each symbol is clearly shown on the surface and easily seen. The finish has a clear glossy coating with real carbon fiber weaved underneath. Turning it over, you can see that it is flocked for protection of the original stalks. It also provides sound deadening, no clickiness that you would get from plastic rubbing against the surface after this is installed. Next is the right stalk, which is the gear shifter. I'm a sucker for carbon fiber in my car. About a year after I got the car, I added a faux carbon fiber cover to my dashboard. I didn't realize how good real carbon fiber looks, and I replaced it with the real version. Real carbon fiber is not cheap, but it has a much better three-dimensional look to it. In my car, I have real glossy fiber on the dash, center console, and steering wheel trim. These are available in glossy black and red. I have chosen black since that's what I already have in my car. Note that if you have a matte carbon fiber interior, those are not available yet, so stay tuned. And no tools are needed for today's installation. Let's go over to the Model 3, open it up, and sit in the driver's seat. Okay, looking at the interior, you can see I have a lot of carbon fiber. Granted, that's a matter of taste. You may want more or less in your particular case. Installation is really easy. These apply right on top of the existing left and right steering wheel stalks. You don't have to disassemble anything. I start with the left side stock first. I place it over the existing stock, and then press down to firmly seat it. I will now do the right side stock and do the same procedure. You may think I'm finished, but actually these are a little off. From my sitting position, I couldn't tell that the cover was not on correctly. Look at the side of the turn signal stalk. Notice the top curve doesn't fully fit. So I need to remove these and do it again. To remove the covers, just pull up from the front near where it connects to the column. If the panel might pop off the stalk, just push it back on. I found the best way is to attach it starting from the back and pressing near the column. Then wrap around towards the front. And then do the same for the other side. Remove it. And then put it back on. And like on the other one, it seems easier if you start it on the front side and then push it towards you. And now for a close-up view of the finished product installed correctly. So my advice is to make sure that you check all around the stalks to make sure that the cover has been installed so that it completely covers the entire curvature of the stalk. I noticed during use that the handle has a nice little curve to it and it feels good to your fingers when you're turning. Kind of grips pretty nicely. It's a good idea to test both of the buttons on the stalks to make sure they're not in any way restricted. Also note, when you turn the left stalk, the cover does not touch anything on the steering wheel column. The same with the right side. To make sure the covers are secure, I grabbed and pulled on them, and they are solidly on for normal use. They don't creak or make any noise either. Here's a fade between before and after to show you the difference. And that's about it for this video on the EVbase real carbon fiber stalk covers for the left turn signal and right drive selector on the Model 3 or Y. If you're interested, see the link in the video description. Use code RANGER for 15% off your purchase. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, except to say that I have too much carbon fiber in my car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.